Learning with Landon, about to go get back here on this track for the first time with that 110. Yeah. It's gonna be the first time. It's gonna be awesome.
I'm nervous.
On the track.
I'm nervous.
Come on.
I'm nervous about to smoke it up. I'm nervous.
You nervous?
Yeah.
Don't be. When you nervous, that just mean that you're excited. That's what it really mean. Being nervous, a lot of times it just mean that you're excited.
You know what
Here, put your little strap on right here. You say what? You ready to go today, man. You got your helmet, got your boots on. It just stopped raining.
I can't see.
And this is what you're going to be doing all day, man. You're going to be in and out. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. What's up? Yeah. Here. No, you got to bring, yep. All right. Get the other part. All right. Yes, sir. Go ahead and jump on. You know what to do. First gear. 1. Come on. All right. Second gear. All right.
This is my first time doing it second gear with my boots.
This your first time? No, it ain't. You done it before.
No, going second gear with my boots on.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, come on. Watch out real quick, big legend. Landon about to go back here on this track for the first time. All right. You got it, son. You got it. All right, come over here real quick, big legend. Big legend. All right, son, give it some gas. You better give it some gas. Yeah. Oh, wipe out. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Here.
Why is the sand so slippery though?
Yeah, it is. It's pretty slick back here. It's like I already knew you was gonna wipe out though. Right when you got up here, you wiped out. Hold it up. Hold the bike up. Hold it up. He wiped out that fast.
Why is the sand so
Yeah, it is. Woo! I probably would have wiped out too, man, to be honest with you. Yeah, you gotta be careful out here. What we're gonna do is probably start you out like right here. But coming in, that's a lot of sand though. Hold up, you gonna hold it up? That was a good wipeout though. All right, here, let me see. We're gonna have to kind of clean it up a little bit. It might not start right back up too. Sometimes it won't start back up because that carburetor then got flooded out. But we're gonna try though. We're gonna try. Yeah, just wipe it off a little bit with your gloves. Wipe this off right here, like your handlebars off a little bit. But that's why we out here though.
Yeah, that's sand slippery.
Yeah, it is right here. Right here is that.
We keep following, right? Because it's so slick.
Now what we're gonna do is walk around the track real quick. And we just gotta drain a little gas out. Big legend, don't touch that. That's gas. That ain't water.
Yeah, yep.
Huh?
I'll take a pee right now.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
All right, son. How the track looking to you right now?
Good.
All right. Just probably right where you came in at. That was probably the worst. The track. It's a little sandy.
Yeah.
But that's why they call it dirt bike, though. Dirt biking. It could get dirty, but it could go in the dirt. That's the real reason. That's why they call it a dirt bike, because it could ride in the dirt easy. But back there was a little thick, though. I probably would have failed too, man.
Yeah, I know.
But the actual track looked decent. Yeah. Well, hopefully we could get this dirt bike started. All right, son, we got it back started up, man.
And I found this,
You ready?
Yeah, but I just go put it right there. Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, let's go. Put your helmet on. All right, son, you got it now.
Let's hear it now.
Go. All right, go ahead.
Woo.
Hey, and then if you fall, remember to try to hurry up and pick your bike up. Turn your switch off. Turn the fuel off right here so we don't keep flooding it out. All right, but you should be good right now. Just go ahead.